Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to connect Asana to Notion. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and enhance productivity, connecting Asana to Notion is a fantastic way to do just that. By integrating these two powerful tools, you can manage tasks efficiently in Asana while keeping comprehensive notes and additional details organized in Notion. This can significantly improve your task management and help you stay on top of your projects with ease. So let's dive into the process of setting this up. To begin, we'll first need to head to the Asana website. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your account. Start by entering your email address on the login page and click Continue. After that, you'll need to enter your password. It's always a good idea to use a strong password, combining upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Asana homepage. This is your central hub where all your projects and tasks are organized. Next, it's time to choose the project you want to connect with Notion. Look through your list of projects and simply click on the one you wish to integrate. Once you have your project open, it's time to get into the customization process. Look for the Customize button within your project view. This button is crucial as it opens up a world of settings you can tweak to tailor your workflow to your specific needs. Within the customization options, you'll notice a tab labeled Apps. Click on this tab to explore all the available integrations. These integrations can greatly enhance your functionality, and today, our focus is on connecting with Notion. Find the Add button and click it to open a list of different apps that can be integrated with Asana. Scroll through or use the search function until you find Notion, then select it. The next step is to add Notion to your project. You'll see an option labeled Add to Project. Clicking this will kickstart the process of linking your Asana and Notion accounts. You'll be prompted to connect to Notion, which usually involves logging into your Notion account. So have your credentials ready. Follow the instructions to authorize the connection. Finally, complete any additional prompts that appear to ensure your integration runs smoothly. These prompts help tailor the integration to fit your workflow preferences, ensuring a seamless connection. And just like that, with these straightforward steps, you've successfully connected Asana to Notion. Now, you can enjoy the benefits of streamlined task management combined with detailed note-taking across both platforms. Remember, this integration is an excellent way to boost your productivity and make your work processes more efficient. Take the time to explore how you can organize your tasks and projects comprehensively, and leverage this connection to its fullest potential. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to connect Asana to Notion. If you want more videos like how to connect Asana to Notion, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.